to Discovery at Home. Happy St. Patrick's Day. We wanted to give you a very special activity to do today to celebrate. Now, one of my favorite activities is making Oobleck. But to make it extra special, we made it green to celebrate today. Now, all you'll need is cornstarch, a little bit of water, a measuring cup. I used a half a cup. And if you have anything green like sprinkles, maybe some food coloring, things like that, you'll definitely need that to make it a little bit more special today. Now, Oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. That means it can act as a solid and a liquid. It just depends on how much force you give it. Now, if I hit it really hard, nothing gets on my fingers. But if I try to pick it up and hold it, it starts to fall off of my fingers just like liquid. This is why it's a non-Newtonian fluid. So much fun. Now, when you make it, I used a half a cup of cornstarch and a half a cup of water, but it wasn't the texture I wanted it to be. So I added a little bit more cornstarch to it until it got to be exactly how I wanted it to be. A little bit thick so that I could peel it apart, but then it turns into liquid and falls slowly. Happy experimenting, friends, and happy St. Patrick's Day. This is another episode of Discovery at Home. We'll see you next time.